Hello everyone, welcome to Falcon Stochographics. Happy Navratri to you all. And today we will be discussing top 7 stocks for next 1 month. As the festive season is going on, there is a good chance that market will give a good rate of return, or at least in these top 7 stocks which are suggested in this video. So the 7th stock is Dabur stock. The current market price of the Dabur is 572.95 rupees. Market capitalization is of more than 1 lakh crore. It is a large cap. 52-week high of the stock is 632 rupees and low is 482. Promoter stake is more than 67% and FI still own 20.23%. Even after Diwali, during winter season also, it is highly likely that this stock will give a good run. Now quarterly revenues of the stock. Now if you see in the June 2021, the revenues of the stock was quarterly revenues of the stock was 2611 crores, and in June 2022 it was 2822 crores. So overall speaking, the revenues are quite stable. If you see the net profit are also quite stable in this stock. In June 2021 it was 438 crores, while in June 2022 it was 441 crores. Now if you see the market trend of the this Dabur stock, now the stock is trading below the 20-day moving average, but at the same time it is above 50-day moving average. Hence, as long as this stock takes the support at 50-day moving average, this stock is good to buy. Next stock is Tata Coffee. The current market price of the stock is 224.85 rupees. Market capitalization is of 4,199 crores. Promoter stake is 57%, while FI stake is 1.78%. The 52-week high of the stock is 254.4 rupees, while low is 181.65 rupees. And as this year's winter season will be dire due to energy crisis in Europe and some other parts of the world, so these kinds of stocks like coffee and other beverage stocks will be in focus for good amount of time in this winter. So the current market price of this stock is 224.85 rupees. Market capitalization is of more than 4,000 crores. The 52-week high of the stock is 254.4, while low is 181.65. Promoter stake is 57.48, while FI stake is 1.78%. The quarterly revenues of the company are in the month of June 2021 it was 532 crores, and in the month of June 2022 it was 662 crores. So there is an increase of more than 100 crores. So the revenues are increasing, and there is incremental increase in the revenues, and revenues are stable. When it comes to profit, the profitability of the Tata Coffee has increased. In June 2021, quarterly net profit was 46, while in June 2022 it was 65 crores. Now if you see the trend of the price of the Tata Coffee, we can see that this stock, the stock of Tata Coffee, mostly consolidated between 180 to 220 levels. So this is the consolidation level of Tata Coffee, and if it gives a breakout or breakdown from either of the side, then the stock will be good for trading purpose. The next stock will be Raymond. As we know that the festive season is going on and there is a good amount of demand for garments. So the current market price of the stock is 1026.5. Market capitalization is 6833 crores. The 52-week high of the stock is 1278.75, while low is 435.75. Promoter holding is 49.16%, while FI, which is a very good amount of FI holding, is 14.18%. Now the quarterly revenues of months have shown quite an increase. In June 2021 it was 825 crores, while in June 2022 it was 728 crores. Means the quarterly revenues have increased twofolds. If we see the net profit, it is in June 2021 there was loss of 150 crores, while in June 2022 there was net profit of 80.9 crores. Now, if you see the trend of this Raymond stock, we can here also we can see that the stock of Raymond is stuck between 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and again and again it has also gave bounce from 100-day moving average. So if the stock in the downside, if the stock breaks 100-day moving average, then it will be your stop loss. And as this is a festive season, you can buy Raymond on dips. Now, Hero Motor Corp. As we know that during the festive seasons there is good amount of demand for vehicles. So the current market price of the stock is 2549.2 rupees. Market capitalization is 56,938 crores. 52-week high of the stock is 2950, while low is 2146.85. Promoter holding is 34.78%, while FII holding is 28.84%, which is very good when it comes to if you see the FII point of view. Now, on seeing the quarterly revenue are quite stable. In the June 2021, it was 5502 crores. It has shown considerable increase in the month of September, and again in June 2022 it was 8447. So here we can see that the revenues are being maintained at 8000 crores on an average from September 2021, which is a good amount of increase in quarterly revenues of the company. Now, quarterly net profit of Hero MotoCorp. In June 2021, it was 392 crores, while in June 2022, it was 606 crores. And here also we can see in the quarterly net profit for the month ending September 2021, it was 810 crores. So, will this stock have good profitability in this September ending? That means September 2022 ending or not? That is to be seen. Now, if you see the trend of stock, this Hero MotoCorp, we can see that the Hero MotoCorp is trading below 200-day moving average. Now, if this stock reclaims 200-day moving average and it also crosses 100-day moving average with volumes, then this stock will be good for trading. Next stock is Varun Beverages, and as I have told that the conditions is very dire with respect to energy in Europe and other cold regions, and if people are not going to get energy to keep up the warmth in their room, in their houses, so they will have to shift towards other means like beverages. So one of those is coffee is one of the beverages, and alcohol is also another beverage with the help of which people can keep up the warmth. Hence, Varun Beverages is also one of the stocks that should be kept in focus. The current market price is 1044.2. Market capitalization is of more than 67,000 crores. The 52-week high of the stock is 1194.7, while low is 539.47. The beta of this stock is quite low, like 0.7. Promoter holding is 63.9%. FII is 23.93%, which is very good. Now, if you see the quarterly revenues of this company, in June 2021, it was 2483 crore, which increased to 4954 crores in June 2022. Means there is approximately twofold increase in quarterly revenues of Varun Beverages. And on the other hand, if you see this quarterly net profit of Varun Beverages, we can say that in June 2021 it was 318 crores, while in June 2022 it was 802 crores. So in quarterly net profit, there is increase of approximately 2.5 times. Now on seeing the chart of the Warren beverages, we can see that after crossing the level of 680, this stock has gave a good amount of run of about more than 70%, and this stock has touched about 1200 levels. From that level, it has shown somewhat profit booking, and again this stock may give an upward trend from 50-day moving average. Overall, we can see that there is an uptrend, a good amount of uptrend remaining in this stock. Now Adani Wilmar, the current market price of the stock is 755.5. The market capitalization of this stock is 98,190 crores. The 52 week high of the stock is 878, while low is 227. Promoter holding is 87.94, and FII is 1.5%. The stake of FII is 1.5%. Now the stocks of edible oils will also in focus. Now the quarterly revenues from operations of Adani Wilmar, in June 2021 it was 11,311 crores, while in June 2022 it was 14,731 crores. The revenues have shown an incremental have shown an increment. Now the quarterly, if you see the quarterly net profit, now in June 2021 it was 166 crores, while in June 2022 it was 197 crores. Now, as we have recently seen that the stocks of Adani have shown a good increase, good increase recently in the stock market. Hence, in this festive season, Adani Wilmar may show a good run in this festive season. As this is festive season going on, this stock it is highly likely that this stock can cross 800 level. And one of the best stock for the purpose of this trading for this festive season is Titan. The current market price of the Titan is 2606.95. Market capitalization is of more than 2 lakh crores. The 52-week high of the stock is 2768, while low is 1825.05. Promoter holding is 52.9%, while FII is in very good shape in this stock. It is 16.77%. If we see the quarterly revenues of this company, in June 2021 it was 3473 crores, while in June 2022 it is 9443 crores. As you can see, from quarter on quarter increase or increase from corresponding quarter, there is approximately more than twofold increase in the revenues. If we see the net profit of the company in this stock, in June 2021 it was just 18 crores, while in June 2022 it was whooping 790 crores. In December 2021 it was 10-12 crores. Now how much will be the revenues as on the December 2022 is to be seen, but it is highly likely that there will be a considerable increase in the revenues of Titan Limited, because for the purpose of business they have also launched their new app, that is Tata New. So from that platform also Titan is able to Titan is able to do e-commerce business. So let's see if December 2022 quarter will be best quarter or not. Now if you see the trend of, and this stock is trading between 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and as there is a festive season going on, there will be festive season, so it is highly likely that this stock will give bounce from 50-day moving average itself. At the most this stock will go towards 100-day moving average, but whatever will be the dip, it should be brought, and trading should be done in this for next 1 month or 3 months. Now, as we have seen these seven stocks which can give considerable amount of return, especially in the next 1 month, we should also keep some things in mind. That is, first of all, inflation. As we have seen that whenever there is an increase in inflation, or even if the inflation rate is more than the estimated, even by 0.1%, there is then considerable fall in the stock market. Hence, you should also keep an eye on inflation, especially the US inflation rate and our own Indian inflation rates. And if the RBI is able to control the inflation like under 6% or under 4%, then it will be good for the stock markets. Now, statistics related to economies. For example, recently there was a quarter two GDP data of the US. Now, in that quarter two GDP, it is estimated that the US economy has shrunk again by third in the third consecutive quarters. And right now US is in technically is in recession. So any types of facts related to economies, we should keep an eye on it, because it also has considerable impact on stock markets. Now, stability in geopolitics. If there is a stability in geopolitical, then again it will be a plus for the stock market, and it will be again a boon for the stock market. Otherwise, unless and until these three factors come into control, we should trade with caution, and there should be regular profit booking. So at the last, thank you for listening to video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and do trading with care. Take care. Thank you.